Hello, my friends. Welcome to another exciting episode in our 30 days CorelDraw logo design. Right? In this video, I'll be showing you how I was able to create this logo inside of CorelDraw. So if this is something you're interested in, feel free to join us and let's do this together. Right? If you've not subscribed, now is the best time to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any videos I'll drop in anytime from now. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a page. So click on File and click on New like this. And I'm just going to give it a name here. So this is day 3 officially. And I'm going to click OK. Right, so this is my page, double click. And I'm going to remove the outline like this. And I'm going to right click on the page to lock it so I don't move it around when I'm working. So I'm going to hold down Control and I'm going to draw an ellipse like this or a circle, and Ctrl C, Ctrl V to make a duplicate copy of this. Hold down Shift and reduce this inside while still holding down the Shift. Right? So you have this nicely done. So to get things interesting, go over to the pen tool and I'm going to draw horizontal lines like this. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. I'm going to bring this one here. What I'm trying to get here is the letter G, so I'm just going to have it add a special style to this. So a straight line here. I'm going to have another one here too, right? So click on this. And of course you might want to double click on this node to remove this here. Click on this one to double click on the node to remove this, so you have this, right? So let's highlight all of them and increase the outline. So I'm going to be using this, right? So we have this in place, so let's go and create this. So just like in previous videos, day 1, day 2, I'm going to use a smart fill to map out this. You can see I have my first mapping out for this logo I want to create. So what I'm going to do now is go over selection to hold down Shift, select all these areas I just filled and click on trim. If you're not sure, you can always bring out first like this before you trim it. Alright, so as it stands now, I'm just going to have my fill here and bring this outside here like this, and also make this bigger like this. Okay, this is great. And with what I have here currently, yes, I'm going to have this here. Where I have currently, I'm going to select the 2 of them, change the color to black, remove the outline, come here and select none. Before then, if you've not gotten your templates, your templates from the store, you can get your template. These are CorelDraw templates that you can actually use to fasten up your design process. And also the Smart Designer Premium Asset is available for you to also get. Also, this comes with 3D texts, template flyers, and so many other things, right? So you don't want to miss it. So remove the outline from that, and we no longer need all of this. So let's select these guys and click them. So select this, and weld them together. P to centralize them at the middle of the page like this. And you want to move this aside, reduce a bit. So I'm just going to go on to type the name. So with my text tool or my type selected, I'm going to type Gentry. So this is the name of the company. It's actually a furniture company. They are into interior decoration. So I'm just going to make this bigger like this, and I'm going to position this well here. Okay, so reduce the space between the text like this. You know how I like to do it. And make this also bigger like this. Select the 2 of them, Ctrl G to group them, and Okay, so this is what you have. Nicely done. Our logo is in place, so you can go on to create a nice brand identity for this particular company. Right, so I can make this white while I unlock this and make this black. Right, so you can see Gentry. Perfect, just the way I want it to be. Alright guys, if this has been fun to you, if you've learned something tangible, do not forget to click the like button, share, and above all, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Right, I will see you in the next video just above. Ciao.